Travel Visas 101, everything you need to know about eVisas. Planning your next international trip? Then you've probably heard the term eVisa thrown around. But what exactly is it? How does it work? Who needs one? And why is everyone talking about how much time, money, and stress it saves? In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about eVisas. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned explorer, we'll make it simple and easy to follow. Let's dive in. What is an eVisa? An eVisa, short for electronic visa, is a digital travel permit issued by a country's immigration authority. It serves the same purpose as a traditional visa, giving you permission to enter a country for a specific purpose and period. The main difference? You apply online. That means no embassy visits, no long lines, and no piles of paperwork. Once approved, your eVisa is sent directly to your email or digitally linked to your passport. Fast, convenient, secure. What is it used for? eVisas are mostly issued for short-term stays like tourism, business trips, transit, attending events, short family visits, or even certain types of medical treatments. But if you're planning to work, study, or move to a country long-term, you'll need a different type of visa. So always check the specific visa requirements based on your travel purpose. Why eVisas matter? Let's face it, traditional visa applications can be a hassle. From paperwork overload to long consulate queues, it's a stressful process. With eVisas, everything happens online. You can apply from your home, a cafe, or even while on the road. Just upload your documents, pay the fee, and get your visa delivered digitally, all in just a few clicks. For digital nomads, remote workers, and frequent travelers, it's a game changer. Benefits of eVisas. Why are travelers loving eVisas? Because they're all about simplicity and speed. Apply anytime, anywhere, just need internet access. Fast processing. Many are approved in under 72 hours. Secure and reliable. Linked to your passport, so they can't be lost or forged. Transparent. Know your visa status before you fly. No consulate visits. Save time and transportation costs. In short, less stress, more travel. Step by step, how the eVisa process works. Here's how the process usually works. Check if you're eligible. Visit the official immigration site or a trusted service like eVisas.com. Fill out the form, enter details like passport info, travel dates, and contact information. Upload documents. Depending on the country, this might include your photo, flight tickets, or hotel booking. Pay the fee. Fees vary, but are paid securely via card. Get your eVisa. Once approved, it's emailed to you. Print it or keep a digital copy. Travel with ease. At immigration, officers will scan your eVisa or verify it online. What documents do you need? While every country has its own rules, here are some common requirements. A valid passport, usually 6+ months before expiration. A recent passport-style photo. Travel itinerary or flight bookings. Hotel reservation or address of stay. Proof of funds or employment. Travel insurance, and a valid email address. Make sure your documents are clear and accurate. Errors can lead to delays or rejections. Popular countries offering eVisas. More and more countries now offer eVisas. Some of the most popular include India, Turkey, Singapore, Vietnam, UAE, Sri Lanka, Kenya, Malaysia, Uzbekistan, Cambodia, and Australia. Each year, more destinations are joining the eVisa movement, making travel easier for everyone. eVisa versus ETA. What's the difference? You might have also heard the term ETA, Electronic Travel Authorization. So, what's the difference? An eVisa is a full visa, typically required for tourism or business. An ETA is simpler and often applies to travelers from visa-exempt countries. eVisas may ask for more documentation. ETAs are quicker to get, but don't apply to everyone. For example, India and Turkey issue eVisas, while countries like the UK, Canada, and the US offer ETAs. Tips for a smooth application. Want to make sure your application gets approved quickly? Here's what you can do. Apply early, at least a week before your departure. Use trusted platforms like eVisas.com to avoid scams. Double-check every detail before submitting. Upload clear, high-quality documents. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months. Save or print your eVisa and bring it with you. How eVisas.com makes it easier. When you apply with eVisas.com, you're supported by experienced visa consultants with over a decade of expertise, guiding you precisely through every step of your application. We keep paperwork minimal. Only the essential documents are needed, making your application hassle-free. Our fast and convenient online process delivers your eVisa within the promised time frame. Plus, our user-friendly portal lets you submit your application and track its progress in real time, giving you peace of mind. Thanks to our thorough double-checking and clear communication, we achieve exceptional approval rates. And whenever you need help, our customer support is ready to assist you via live chat, WhatsApp, and email. It's the stress-free, reliable way to get your eVisa done right. Frequently asked questions, quick answers to common concerns. What if my eVisa application is rejected? Don't worry. In most cases, rejections are due to minor mistakes, like incorrect information or unclear documents. You can usually reapply after making corrections. If you're unsure, our support team is ready to help guide you through what to fix. Can I extend or renew my eVisa? That depends on the country. Most eVisas are not extendable, but a few offer short extensions. Always check the rules before you go. Overstaying can lead to penalties or future travel issues. Can I use my eVisa for multiple entries? Some eVisas are single entry, while others allow multiple entries. You'll find that info clearly stated when you receive your visa. Be sure to double-check it if you plan to re-enter the country. What if my travel plans change? If your trip is postponed or canceled, check your eVisa's validity dates. If your travel window no longer matches, you might need to apply again. If you got your visa through us, reach out. We'll advise you on the next steps. Is it safe to apply for an eVisa online? Absolutely, especially when using a trusted platform like ours. We use secure technology, keep your data private, and provide real-time support every step of the way. International travel doesn't have to come with visa headaches. With eVisas, you can apply online, get approved fast, and travel with confidence. Just remember, check the latest entry requirements, apply early, and choose trusted services. And if you want a smooth start to your journey, go with eVisas.com. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more travel tips, and visit eVisas.com to get your visa processed quickly and easily. Your next adventure starts with the right visa, and we're here to help you get there.